I would like to show you the process, how we start to make an icon. This is the canvas that we use, because we don't paint directly on the wood. Okay, we have to use a canvas first. The second step is to make the drawing of the icon with a pencil. And then at the background, here we apply a special glue to stick the gold to. Let me show you the gold. This is the gold that we use. You can see it is real gold. It is 22 carats. Okay. And but it's very thin. And where is the glue? The gold leaf sticks like this. One piece next to another, very carefully. Every icon has the same process, the same gold. And then we start to paint. If you see here the steps.
Where does the gold come from?
It's from Italy, from Florence. Yes. I will explain. And then we start to paint from dark colors to lighter colors. It's a lot of layers from dark to light. And at last we make the face and the eyes. You know, the expression, this is the most difficult part. The colors that my father uses, these are minerals, you know, stones. Not acrylic, just wood powder. And we mix the colors only with this liquid here. This is egg yolk, you know, the egg tempera, yes. Egg yolk, vinegar, and water inside. Yes, this is the oldest technique from 9th century. You know, the egg has glue inside naturally. Yeah, it sticks. The color we take it from Germany. The gold is from Italy. My mother, she uses a stick to keep the hand steady. Because, you know, if you see the brushes, they're very fine. So you have to stabilize them. It's not very easy. Yes. You do it with the brain. You know, my father paints,